Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's tropical update. So, the tropics continue to be very active, and we're watching Earl and Danielle in the Atlantic. And Tropical Storm Earl has strengthened since yesterday and now has maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 999 millibars, and is moving west-northwest at 8 miles per hour. We have Hurricane Danielle in the north central Atlantic with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 988 millibars, and is still moving just at 1 mile per hour to the north and is nearly stationary. And these are as of 5 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, Sunday, September the 4th. We also have a new area to watch in the form of a tropical wave coming off of Africa with a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days. Now, looking at Tropical Storm Earl, now this system is looking very healthy compared to this time yesterday morning. It's got a solid core of thunderstorms, a very deep convection, and it's now bringing some very heavy rain, very heavy shower and thunderstorm activity to the British Virgin Islands, and there are probably some tropical storm force wind gusts in the British Virgin Islands as well right now, as this system continues to move west-northwest and has been moving further south than initially projected. Now, Puerto Rico, you're about to probably get some heavy showers, storms, and gusty winds over the next uh, four over the next 4 to 12 hours, or four to 24 hours, as the system very slowly moves north of Puerto Rico. The only inhibiting factor at this point is wind shear on the western side. As you can see, the clouds rapidly blowing from southwest to northeast, an indicator of some pretty strong wind shear, which will likely only allow the system to slowly strengthen over the next few days. But after that, the system is going to take off in intensity. But first, let's show you the models. The they're still forecasting Earl to move north, take the northern turn as soon as the next 12 to 24 hours, and then move southeast of Bermuda, thankfully. But if the system continues to move west, we're going to have to continue to watch this because Bermuda could be impacted if the system does not curve within the next 12 to 18 hours. And looking at the intensity, Tropical Storm Earl is expected to explode in intensity over the next 72 to 120 hours, becoming a hurricane likely in the next 36 to 72 hours, and likely a Category 2 and even a Category 3 hurricane in the next 96 to 120 hours. So this storm is expected to get very strong once it moves into a more favorable environment for strengthening. Now, looking at Typhoon Hinnamnor, Hinnamnor has reorganized itself and is now looking very impressive once again on satellite imagery. It's got a well-defined eye, a solid eye wall, and is still bringing rain to the Japanese islands. It's been raining there for the last 24 hours, so flooding is probably occurring on these islands, and is starting to move a little bit northeast now. Looking at the track, is expected to. It currently has maximum sustained winds of 105 knots or 120 miles per hour, Category 3 hurricane equivalent, and is expected to move north and then eventually northeast over today and tomorrow, and is still expected to make a near direct hit on Busan, South Korea, sometime later tomorrow or early morning on Tuesday. So this is going to really bring some pretty serious impacts to areas of South Korea and Western Japan as it moves through the area between tomorrow and Tuesday. And looking at the Invest 93E off of southern Mexico, this has started to organize as well, and the National Hurricane Center is now giving this a near 100% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours and 100% chance over the next 5 days. So this is likely going to develop today, and the models are still taking it just west of the Baja Peninsula of California uh, over the next 4 to 5 days, and they are strengthening it to a Category 1 to Category 2, maybe even a Category 3 hurricane over the next 48 to 96 hours as it approaches the Baja Peninsula. So I'm going to continue to watch Invest 93E as well for impacts to Mexico. So thanks for watching today's tropical update. I'm going to keep my eye on the tropics for the next several days as we got a lot to talk about. A lot of storms out there. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friends.